Hey guys, here's the mini lab we're gonna do. If you miss it, this is what we did. So we have the bigger carbs that represent the 4 biomolecules. Okay. Carb, lipid, protein, nucleic acid, and we have a whole bunch of these little carbs that go with either one or many of the biomolecules. First one contains nitrogen. Cho, cho, chon, chomp. These both contain nitrogen. Okay. Formed in the nucleus. DNA is in the nucleus. That is nucleic acids. Phospholipid oil earwax. Definitely lipids. Long-term energy. That's like stored energy. I would say lipids. Found in large amounts in potatoes. Potatoes is starch, carbs. That is a picture of glucose, carb. Considered to be organic. Now remember, organic is anything that contains carbon, so that's pretty much all of them. Which contains carbon, boom. Cho, cho, chon, chomp, they all have C carbons, boom. Nucleic acids, nucleotide, it's the monomer of a nucleic acid. Okay, look at this picture here. I see C, H, O, and I see N. I do not see any P, phosphorus, so it is a protein. Contains phosphorus, boom. Formed at ribosome, that's a protein. That's something that we need to review later on. Okay, here's another picture. There's carbons, hydrogens, oxygens. I see a nitrogen, and I also see right here a phosphorus, nucleic acid. Chon, so I would consider this to be the protein, okay? Not found in a cell membrane. Okay, so you know that lipids make up the cell membrane. So right now you know carbs do not go in cell membrane. You know DNA is not in the cell membrane. And right now you don't know, protein is in the cell membrane. We'll learn about that later. But right now you think everything except for lipids are in the cell membrane. Found in a bite of steak, I would say protein, but then also there are fats and oils in steak, so it's protein and lipid. Cho, that could be a carb or a lipid. Used as energy source only when other carbs and lipids are in short supply. You'll never use your DNA for energy, but you could break down protein if you're in a really, really bad bind. DNA, RNA is nucleic acids. Found in chloroplasts. Okay, we didn't get here yet, but chloroplasts are involved in photosynthesis, and photosynthesis is how plants make their own food, sugar, so that is a carbohydrate. Amino acids, monomers of protein, carbohydrate, lipid. Found in steroids, hormones like estrogen. This was on your worksheet yesterday. So they're not carbs because you don't eat hormones, okay? They're not DNA, okay? So it's either a lipid or a protein. Okay, this is a picture. It's CHO, but it looks like it's like C10H20O2, so it's definitely a lipid. It's not C6H12O6. Protein to protein. Triglyceride. I think of glycerol and fatty acid glycerol, so it's a lipid. Some are formed by the smooth ER. So we're thinking organelles, building organelles, protein. Hair, nails, muscles, enzymes are definitely protein. Monosaccharide. Just dropped that, sorry. Sugar. Typically not an energy source. Nucleic acids are never an energy source, and proteins should not be an energy source. I would say it could be like in the middle here. I would say more proteins over nucleic acids though, because carbs and lipids can be energy. CHOMP is nucleic acids. Short-term energy, carbs. Cellulose, glucose, fructose, glucose, carb. And then when it's CHO in a 1 to 2 to 1 ratio, it is a carb.